sa November 28, ang huling day po ng ayun, be careful with my heart. Yan. Tulad nga ng lagi namin sinasabi na lahat naman ng simula ay may katapusan din. Pero bittersweet siya. Alam ko na karamihan sa inyo ay natutuwa na because of the show din naman, may namuong friendship amongst you. So, sana kahit wala nang Be Careful with My Heart sa ere, ay manatili pa rin ang pagsasamahan ninyong lahat, ang mga miyembro ng Kapit Bisig University. Again, maraming salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal na ibinigay niyo sa amin sa 2 taon. 2 taon din naman kaming sinamahan. So, thank you and, ayun, congratulations!
Thank you, Ms. Rhodes. Ha? Meron? Sino? May bisita tayo? May bisita tayo?
Nandiyan si Ricky Boy!
Si Ricky. Alam ba niya na tinatawag mo siya ng ganyan? Andito yung misis, oh. Ayan. Tinay. Ay, hello, sir.
Libre pong daan.
Pasok po.
Gwapo mo naman.
Ang gwapo naman yung dumarating.
Hindi po.
May naghanap sa'yo, oh.
Ay, gwapo.
Ayan. Thank you, sir. Ay, yung mga kasama po. Ayan, magandang gabi po. Ayan, dito po tayo. Ayan. Yan, of course, we'd like to acknowledge the presence, okay, of our guest. Is there, nagugulo na. Richard, yap pala yung Richard Lim yung sasabihin ko. Dick. Ayan, so, and to Mr. Richard Yap and to his family, good evening, ma'am. And, yeah. Ayan. Hoy! Tin! Halika rito! Dalawa tayo din. Si Tin ho, pasensya na kayo, katatonik na, hindi na nakapagsalita. Okay. Sir, nahinga na po namin ng ilang words si Ms. Jones. I believe it's your turn now. Okay. Please say something. Nagsiselebrate po ang KBU ng aming 2nd year anniversary. Ayan.
Ilang words ba sinabi niya?
365 words per minute.
Happy anniversary to KBU. Thank you.
Oh, very inspiring.
Buti na-inspire ka.
Salamat.
Anyway, I know that KBU was inspired by Be Careful with My Heart. Ngayon, matatapos na Be Careful with My Heart. Siguro, pwede na kayo maghiwa-hiwalay. I'm sure you'll continue supporting us and thank you for all the support you've given us through the past 2 years. Kahit na magkahiwalay kami, if ever may separate projects kami, I hope that you'll still support both of us. Sige, manood kayo ng movie na. And, kahit anong project namin, if it's a movie or a teleserye next or whatever that comes, hopefully you'll still be there for us. Thank you so much. We know that without you, we wouldn't have been as successful as we are. So, thank you very much for everything.
Parang nakakaiyak naman. Seryoso. Seryoso. Ayan, like I said, no, this is a gathering, this is a celebration, and hindi lang po ito para sa KBU, hindi lang po ito para sa mga naging bahagi ng PEX, and yan, naging KBU na nga. May mga kaibigan po tayo dito mula pa sa ibang grupo din. We have our friends here from Richinatics, of course. We'd like to acknowledge. They're there at the back. Of course, we have yung kay Isabel. Ano na nga yan? Pavi Sabel. And of course, Jody Natics. Well, Jody Natics. All of us here are Jody Natics. Diba? Parang, ayan. So, Do we have what? Do you have games? Gutom na ba kayo? Maybe some photo ops is in order, di ba? Para we can get the ball rolling. Yung mga camera, paki-ready na. Alam nyo bakit ganun yung mood? Masyado ba tayong apektado ng ng napipintong pagtatapos at napakaseryoso natin?
Hindi po.
Hindi ba mapigil?
Hindi po.
Ayaw i-process, in denial. In denial pa yata lahat. Okay? So how do we do this? Iniwanan na ako ng kasama ko. How do we do this? Ayan.
Present po, ma'am, bakit po?
Ano natin? Do we have what? Do we have games? Do we have what? Should we have dinner? Yes. This is it. Are you ready sa ating mini tech booth there? I think the group prepared some presentation of the 2 years of KBU, the memories, the happy moments, and basta yung masasayang 2 taon ng KBU. Let's watch this.